to another Telekinesis video. I got a very interesting question asked. He said, Guru, what would you do if you had to start over with telekinesis? If you had no abilities, how would you start? Very interesting question. So, if I had no abilities and I wanted to learn telekinesis, how would I start? First of all, I would start watching telekinesis videos and read about telekinesis. Done. You've done that already. Congratulations. Then I would focus on getting my life in order. Because it's not just telekinesis. If you want to learn any skill, if your life is not in order, you're going to have a hard time in finding the right focus to learn a new ability. And especially when it comes to telekinesis, you need all the focus you can get. So that's that. Get your life in order. Clean your house, clean your room, clean your car, make enough money, make sure you're healthy, make sure your family is healthy. Because all these things are distractions if they don't work out. Also, how is your girlfriend, boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you want a boyfriend? Do you want a girlfriend? Figure these things out and solve it if there is anything to solve. After that, I talked about obesity. Make sure you're fit, your body is healthy, eat healthy, work out, do all these things. And when your physical health is in order, also work on your mental health, meditate, breathe, and do all these breathing exercises and meditation so your mental health is there to educate yourself, learn a new language, do puzzles and riddles, and challenge your brain. Work as hard as you can to learn new things. Be a sponge for new information. And then, after you did all of these things for a beginner telekinesis, then you can actually start practicing telekinesis. How? You should know that now because you've watched so many telekinesis videos. So, if you just still don't know how to do telekinesis, all I can do is tell you, go back and watch all of the videos. I made hundreds already. But if you're at the very beginning, do those 5 things first and then start practicing telekinesis. I hope that it makes sense. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or join my membership.